What's going on, guys? It's Jimmy here, and welcome to our daily show where we discuss the fourth stimulus check update, the two new upcoming packages, the physical infrastructure plan, known as the American Jobs Package, the American Jobs Plan, and the next stimulus package, known as the American Families Plan, as well as what is going on in the world today. First up, I'd like to thank today's video sponsor, ShipStation. As you guys know, I sell products on Amazon and I also teach people how to sell products on Amazon. And one huge part of having an Amazon business is shipping management and order management. ShipStation makes it super easy to ship and manage all your orders from any platform. No matter what platform you sell on, whether it's Amazon, Etsy, eBay, or your own website, and no matter how much you sell, ShipStation can help you with your shipping and organize all your orders neatly all in one place. And you can easily compare shipping rates from the top carriers, so you always make sure you get the lowest rate. With ShipStation, you'll spend a lot less time worrying about shipping and more time worrying about growing your business. Ship more in less time with ShipStation. Use my offer code IT'sJimmy to get a 60-day free trial. That's 2 months free of no hassle, stress-free shipping. Go to ShipStation.com, click on the microphone at the top of the page, and type in "It's Jimmy" and make ship happen. Thanks again to ShipStation. All right, we got some really good news tonight regarding the fourth stimulus check. We're going to go over here in a moment. Also from Representative Jayapal about the fourth stimulus check, as well as several different things to cover. Let's jump right in. Don't forget to hit the like button, and here we go. The Treasury Department put out an official announcement that the U.S. is proposing what they're calling a global minimum corporate tax rate of 15%. They're doing this to make sure that other first world countries are charging at least a 15% corporate tax rate, which in the end would help out the United States and other first world countries by making sure that all countries are charging their fair share for corporate taxes. This would help to eliminate the basically seeing large corporations that make billions and billions of dollars take their assets and their corporations and employees and all sorts of different assets like that offshore. This would prevent that from happening, because if they could only go to another country and save a few percentage of tax rate or even no percentage of tax rate, then it wouldn't likely be worth it, and they'd be able to keep more corporations here in the United States. So the U.S. is going to be calling on their allies to implement this first, and then spread it through as much countries as possible. So it looks like some states, cities, and counties are starting to receive their share, or their first part of their share, because a lot of these states and cities and counties are going to be receiving their money from the third stimulus check package in 2 different installments, and they're able to use this for hazard pay, stimulus checks, as well as mortgage assistance, rental assistance, property tax assistance, and utility assistance. I'm starting to see some articles like this one from the city of Newark, New Jersey, saying that Newark just received $88.3 million in their American Rescue Plan monies, which is from the third stimulus check. And their priority for this first installment, this is just their first installment of the money, they're going to be receiving more, is to get funds into the hands of residents and small businesses impacted by COVID-19. Sounds like more stimulus checks or stimulus programs coming. Newark says the monies will be used to stabilize the city's finances due to lost revenue and to get money into the hands of residents and small businesses that suffered during the pandemic. In addition, the city will address homelessness, affordable housing, and economic and food insecurity with monies. Now, this is just one example of a city. Remember, cities are getting money, states are getting money, and counties are getting money. Cities and counties get to spend their own set of money, different than the governor of the state. So I always see these comments say, our governor will never give the money to the people. They're going to line their own pockets. In fact, I just seen just the other day, a couple of people say, North Carolina will never give money. Our governor's gonna keep all the money and line our pockets and give it to their cronies. Don't worry, guys. I've seen this comment about every state, and they are going to be giving money in different capacities. In fact, just as an example, North Carolina has like 2 or 3 different stimulus programs that are going to be coming out in the near future. As you can see here on the screen, North Carolina governor has proposed checks to North Carolina families with stimulus funds. North Carolina Governor Roy Cooper, who's a Democrat, proposed sending checks to North Carolina residents with part of the state's share of funds from the $1.9 trillion third stimulus check package. They called for using $250 million of the $5.7 billion allotted to North Carolina in just their first installment of proposed stimulus checks. Under the governor's proposal, married couples filing jointly with income up to $30,000 could receive a $500 check. Couples making up to $60,000 would be eligible for a $250 check. Single filers making up to $15,000 would be eligible for a $500 check. And a single person making up to $30,000 could receive up to $250. This is in addition to 2 more proposals. Republicans in the state House filed a bill last week that would provide families with $1,000 per child with a maximum of $3,000. And they have opened a second round, or I should say second round, but you can't claim it twice, for anybody that didn't receive the $335 stimulus check for families from last year. And of course, the big one that has already been announced is a second round for stimulus checks of California that's going to go up to about to 25 million people or more. Again, this is a second round. The first round of $600 California checks went to people making up to $30,000. Now they're expanding it to people that make up to $75,000, which Governor Gavin Newsom says will cover about 2/3 of Californians. It's a $600 stimulus check and an extra $500, or a total of $1,100 for people with children. Now, remember, states are really just starting to receive this money. Some states probably haven't even gotten the money yet. And then in the next few weeks, we're going to start to see proposals from each state, each county, each city, as they all determine how they're going to spend the money. In addition to stimulus checks and rent assistance and property tax assistance, utility assistance, cities are also have been enabled or allowed to cover up to $25,000 in hazard pay for essential workers from their county, city, or state. So that is something that could be coming to a city, state, or a county near you. And a lot of these programs you have to actually sign up for. For example, here was a program from last year. Orange County, Florida, did 3 different rounds of $1,000 stimulus checks that went fast, and you had to apply for them. And if you didn't know about them, you could see like the last round was November 4th, and this was money from the first stimulus check package. Counties, cities, and states are going to be receiving $350 billion more and are going to be doing programs like this where they literally give $1,000 stimulus checks, but you might have to apply for them. For example, Orange County, Florida, you could live in Orange County, Florida, and might not even have gotten it or even known about it. So my job to you in these next few weeks to few months will be to tell you guys, tell your family, tell your friends about all these stimulus programs coming out. As you guys know, we just had the $50 electronic broadband credit, which thousands of our viewers got $50 off their internet bill. That was from a previous stimulus check package, the second stimulus check package. I believe you can probably still apply for this if you haven't gotten this, or anybody from your family or your friends haven't gotten it. You go to getemergencybroadband.org. Again, it's getemergencybroadband.org. You get up to $50 a month discount on your broadband service, which is another word for internet service, and associated equipment rentals. Up to $75 a month off your internet service if your household's on tribal lands, or a in addition to a $100 discount for a laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. Again, getemergencybroadband.org is the website, and you just go on here, click apply now, and it's actually a pretty quick process. I've seen thousands of your guys' comments saying, "Thank you, Jimmy, I got it. I'm gonna get $50 off my internet bill." It goes until the fund runs out of money. So hopefully you guys get 6 months or 12 months, or who knows how many months you're gonna get. But you're getting $50 off, or I've seen some people say they got $75 off. Some people said they got the $100 discount for a new computer as well. So that's really awesome. Those are the type of programs we're going to be seeing in the near future. once states and cities get this money. Don't worry. I know that you're thinking that your state is not going to give any of the money back. Don't worry. They haven't gotten the money yet. Some states are just kind of quick on the trigger here, like California and North Carolina are already kind of doling, or not. North Carolina is actually doling some of this money out. California, that's the second round of money. They've already done the first round of $600. Now they're expanding the eligibility to people to make up to 75,000. That's not approved yet, I don't believe, but it will be becoming soon, probably once they get this money. Once they start to get all this money, some states are going to be slower than others. I'll keep you up to date with this, and I'll let you know when your state has it. If you know of any programs that are available now, please drop a comment down below in the comment section and let us know, let our viewers know about the program so we can find out about these and save you guys money or get you guys these stimulus checks. Some of these you have to apply for. Just like Orange County, Florida, you had to go and apply on their website, and it was first come, first serve. Just like the $50 off internet credits, again, first come, first serve. Go try it if you haven't yet and see if you got it. But I know thousands of our viewers have already gotten it. Also, really good news from Representative Pramila Jayapal. She says on Twitter, if Republicans refuse to go big and bold on this infrastructure package, we can meet the scale of this crisis. Then the solution is clear. We need to do it ourselves, aka do it through the budget reconciliation process. We have the mandate, now we must deliver. She has also introduced a brand new resolution to end poverty. It's pretty lengthy. I'll go over the details of this and the full text of the resolution here. I'm going to read this later on and see. But basically, she's calling for more stimulus programs, more stimulus items that need to be passed here. And she's one of the most outspoken and influential persons on stimulus checks, and she has helped pass stimulus checks in the past. Now, this brings new light and new momentum to her bill that she's also co-sponsored with Representative Rashida Tlaib, that is for a $2,000 fourth stimulus check, then followed by $1,000 monthly recurring payments that would go until 1 year after the pandemic is over. So we're starting to see a lot of support for a fourth stimulus check. We also had a very powerful letter from the U.S. House Ways and Means Committee, which basically is the subcommittee or the committee in the House of Representatives that actually writes the bill for the stimulus checks. And they as well are calling on President Biden to have a monthly recurring stimulus check, either until the pandemic is over or up to 1 year after the pandemic is declared over, to have these stimulus checks be monthly stimulus checks, very similar to the child tax credits, which are monthly stimulus checks that were passed from the third stimulus check package. And the IRS is going to start sending out that money on July 15th, $250 per child for children ages 6 through 17, and $300 per child for children under the age of 6. So monthly stimulus checks are already going to be happening. They're already passed for 1 year, but only for people with children, the $250 to $300 per child. The fourth stimulus check, they're now calling to have monthly stimulus checks be for everybody that qualifies for the previous stimulus checks as the fourth stimulus check. So we're starting to see a lot of momentum and a lot of push coming out of Congress. And really all eyes are on the Democrats, because the Democrats are probably going to pass this package completely on their own through the reconciliation process, which is the same process they used to pass the third stimulus check package, where not a single Republican voted yes on that bill. So the Democrats can really put anything they want in this bill, including the other items that are on the table to be possibly included in this bill, including Social Security raises, Medicare extra benefits included for free, a monthly stimulus check, 2 years of free college, 2 years of free preschool. Yeah, there's a lot in this next package. We could see unemployment bonuses extended. We could see back to work bonuses that some states are now offering. And yeah, there's a lot of different things on the table. I'll keep you up to date on all of them. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below so you don't miss out on new updates. I will keep you up to date with everything. New videos come out every day at 10 a.m., 3 p.m., and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can click this video here to watch my newest stimulus check video next. And this video is more details about that House of Representatives Ways and Means Committee that is urging for monthly stimulus checks. So click on one of those videos next. Thanks, guys, and I will see you in the next video.